So, if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it is located in my IG bio. So, how did I make $1,596 just trading CVS call options? So, looking at CVS, right? So, I got into my first couple of call options on 12/11. So, looking at CVS on 12/11, and basically I bought somewhere near around the low 51, but if I recall I got somewhere around 52 something, and so that was my first call option into CVS. And then from there on I just started buying more CVS call options as I started seeing that CVS was going down, right? And so today, which is January 13th, basically almost like a month, and this trade took to, be in the green. Basically, January 13th, right? I sold out the position, and I basically made $1,596 just trading, or really holding on to a couple of CVS call options for the long term. And basically these call options were almost down, like I want to say they were down like 30-40%, and just patiently waiting to see that if CVS could see further movement, further movement to the downside. I just patiently waited, bought a couple more call options when I saw the opportunity. And basically, it looks like CVS might be, might rebound. It's going to rebound probably from here. But first of all, it needs to break the 50-day moving average so we can see further uptrend. And then, but to me, I feel like right now CVS will be in a uptrend soon, because right now you can see on the daily chart the 9-day moving average crossed over the 20-day moving average. And usually what that means, that for the short term, I guess you could say, that means that CVS will see a bullish momentum towards the upside very soon. So I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised that CVS could see further uptrend from here. And so right now that's basically how I made $1,596 trading CVS call options. But moving on, right? How is the SPY trade doing? So basically the SPY trade is down 28%, and basically it's down $4,118.04. And basically, if I take a look at the chart, I gotta take this out. Basically on Friday, right? So on Friday, this position was almost down 37.30%. So it's made a huge gain. I guess I could say, like, the strategy that I'm doing is basically I'm just dollar cost averaging, just doing like with, I'm basically dollar cost averaging with call options. So basically, when I see that, I see that my position is down 20%, right? I'm not gonna buy any more call options until I see the position being down 30%. That way, when I buy let's say another couple of call options around 30%, my position won't be down 30% anymore. It's going to be down now around maybe 25 or maybe 27%. And so basically I try to use also the moving averages in a way to that way I can be like, it crossed over the 9-day moving average, or it crossed over, or I just basically like to use the moving averages, and I basically want to analyze the chart and be like, this candle is exactly on the 9-day moving average, it's exactly on the 20-day moving average. I think that's a good opportunity to buy a couple of more call options. That way, in case SPY does see further uptrend right throughout the day, my position will be a lot more greener, or I guess you could say, my position will be in the green a lot more faster in a way, sort of. And so basically it's just kind of crazy where I gotta cut this out again too. It's just kind of crazy that, you know, the position was down. Wait. Oh, wait. I kind of messed up. Hold on. So this was from yesterday. So basically the position was down yesterday, 28%. Today, I'm sorry. I really messed up. So basically the position, instead of being down 28%, right? It's down currently 20%. It's currently down 20%. So basically right now the position is down $3,714 with 96 cents. So it's a pretty huge move from where we were previously at on Friday and from yesterday. So it's kind of crazy that this strategy in a way is kind of working in a way, but we will have to see, you know, if we can make the comeback. Obviously, do I believe we could make a comeback? You know, this is a strategy I'm willing to, you know, publicly, you know, try it out. That way you guys can see, like, if it, you know, if this strategy is reliable. Basically what the strategy is that step one, buy SPY call options that expire in 30 days or more. And basically you're buying call options when SPY is oversold. So basically you want to buy SPY when it's around like a certain support level, or it's on a, or it's exactly on a moving average. So for example, right now SPY is around this little small support level through 583 through 578. So right now that's like a good spot to get into SPY, right? Or to buy a couple of call options into SPY, right? And then basically what you want to do is just be patient and see if those SPY call options can rebound within 30 days or more, right? The further out these call options you buy, the more expensive those call options will be. So the shorter time frame within 30 days, right, the less expensive those call options will be. So basically, and then step two is to basically just sell out the position for a 5 or 10% gain. And then step three is just to rinse and repeat the cycle over and over again whenever you see that SPY is oversold. And then, yeah, basically, so far this strategy has been successful so far. But right now, the position is down 20%. Yeah, 20%. So obviously we will have to see what happens on tomorrow, because I know there's another economic factor that's happening tomorrow. I'm not sure what it is, but I think it has to be related with the economy or something like that, right? But we will have to see what happens. And basically, yeah, so far the strategy is, I guess you could say it's doing good so far, right? Basically, you're dollar cost averaging each time that you see that, okay, once you see that your position is down 10%, buy when it's down 10%. That way your position can be down 5% now. Once your position is down 15%, buy at 15%. That way your position can be down now 10% or close to 11 or 12%. And basically try to use the moving average, moving averages in a way to let you know if you should buy or wait. And that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys go from here. Basically, this video is not financial advice, so as always, do your own research. I'm just showing you guys to see if this, strategy will be successful or a failure. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.